Yo, alert. SAL calling Hackmasters Roxie and Tripp. Stand by for mission update. Monitoring this urgent activity from Thunderworld. Report to Hacker Command at once. Thunderbirds are go!
Turbocharged Thunderbirds.
This is Mission Ground Control. We have perfect conditions for the KLA satellite launch today. We're coming up on the automated sequence. All lights are green. All systems are go. So let's turn you over to the man inside the capsule, the captain of the airwaves, Ricochet.
We're almost ready to go. This is Ricochet for all you space cats and space kitties out there. Ready for the first, the best, the only launch of KLA's pirate satellite. KLA, the galaxy's only pirate broadcaster. If you're listening to us, it's illegal. This is Ricochet live on board the KLA Rock and Roll rocket. At T-minus 30 seconds and counting, we're going to ride this baby into orbit, and you're coming with us. Remember, kids, today's launch is brought to you by Fanny's Fashions and Grunge Cola. Grunge Cola reminds you to be your own person and join the crowd.
Automated countdowns, computer-controlled launchings. Very different from my day.
That's progress, Mr. Tracy.
I know, Brains, but it just doesn't seem to have the same excitement and adventure about it.
Hey, Rox, check out this rocket.
I see the test rocket launched okay. But what is that bogus smell?
Smell is the odor emanating from the source known as Tripp Burger. It is thoroughly disgusting, even to those who are incapable of eating.
Can't watch a launch without it. Want one?
No, I'd rather eat my mother's moon loaf.
Moon loaf, even more disgusting than 2 Tripp Burgers.
Then again, we could use it to test out my new electro-duplicator.
Roxie, I can't believe you're thinking about burgers after we've spent all morning working on that electro-duplicator. All that technology to produce another sandwich.
A double Tripp burger? Radical.
Okay, stand over there. Alright. Hope you like your burger blasted. Uh-oh. To international rescue.
What is it, Roxette?
I think I'm seeing double.
Seeing double. Sal warned me about a possible Code 47, unnecessary duplication. Don't tell me you've used that duplicator on something other than a micro-inorganic subparticle. Hold on a second, Roxette. Tintin, can you turn down that inane racket?
Ooh, but it's Ricochet from KLA, that exciting new pirate radio station they put into orbit this morning. Everybody's listening to it.
Not Rox. She has her hands full with 2 trips.
Good thing she's not distracted by this infernal music.
Cool tunes, boss! Ricochet's minty! Too bad I can't hear a word you're saying.
I got a bad feeling about this stellar rock and roll business, Brains.
I know how you always tell me what to do, but this time, you will be very pleased.
Go ahead, Hood.
I need some destruction. Amuse me, Hood. With everyone so distracted by the launch of the pirate radio satellite, I was able to focus your evil on the launch of our own rocket, aimed directly at those rotten hackmasters.
Let the evil begin.
Hey, leave it right there on your power box. You are listening to KLA, the galaxy's first and only illegal pirate broadcaster.
Got yellow eyes, got no ear, messing with us everywhere. What you say is what you do, and I don't want no part of you. You're a road dog. You're a road dog. You're a road dog.
Look at this guy, Rox. I mean, he's a dweeb. He's a total brainiac. He can't even dance.
Don't you get it? He is you, Mr. Genius. My machine locked onto one aspect of your otherwise boneheaded personality and made an exact duplicate. Besides, I think he's kind of cute.
Thank you, Ricochet. I always knew I could count on you at a time of dire infelicity. Oh, please, jocker with jive jargon.
Yo alert,
Yo alert! Bad news, gang. Looks like the rocket launch wasn't so styling after all.
Something went wrong.
Unidentified rocket entering quadrant. Code 620. Velocity Mach 8. Range approaching 0 and closing.
Trajectory's at 8, 9, or 7. Guys, it's headed straight for us.
Approaching Zone 5. Initial booster override activated as protective measure. Scanning satellite quadrant.
Relax, Rox. In order to hit this station, that rocket will have to clear the entire satellite quadrant. Young Tripp here is correct. The probability of clearing that satellite system is 1 billion to 1. That rocket will most certainly collide with a satellite. The only question is, which one will it hit?
KLA! We're loud, we're orbital, and we're completely illegal!
This contemporary music has grown tiresome.
Attention, Hackmasters. 2 important bulletins. 1, Tripp, you dance like your pants are too tight. And 2, renegade rocket on path to collide with. Well, I haven't got the heart to tell you. Initializing visualization gizmotron instant.
Ah! That rocket's headed straight for KLA! How on FAB!
I've got the station on StarCam. KLA, this is an emergency. Come in. KLA, please respond. Warning, 5 seconds to impact. 3, 2, 1, and... Man, that is hardcore.
My music!
KLA, this is Hacker 1. Do you read me?
Whoa, that was some hit we just took. We should be pulverized. What happened?
You were hit by a renegade rocket. How's O'Shea? Is he hurt?
He's still rocking the ozone.
What about your tunes? He means, can you assess the damage to the ship?
Moment, can you get us back on the air?
I've got to. I gotta do it for the kids.
Can you see any damage?
Well, I don't know. I haven't stepped outside yet.
Ooh.
Always knew these strings would come in handy someday. From what I can see, most of the damage is to our guidance system. I'm coming up on it now. You know, this is a teeny little hole for such a big explosion. Well, jingle bells, discombobulated guidance system.
Is there any chance you can fix it?
I've got to, for the kids.
Any chance you could not call us kids?
Well, now that's real funny, little buddy. I've got to get back inside the capsule. I feel nature calling, if you know what I mean. O'Shea, I'm back inside the airlock now.
Opening airlock. Hey, Loman, the airlock appears to be jammed.
Try again.
Trying. It's not moving.
Keep trying.
It's no good. Emergency. This is Station KLA. Come in, Hackmasters. We've got a serious problem. Loman, my engineer, is trapped in the airlock. He can't hold out much longer. You've got to help us. We're counting on you.
Hang on, Mr. O'Shea. We're calling International Rescue Stat.
Stat may not be fast enough. If my calculations are correct, their satellite is knocked out of orbit. They won't survive re-entry.
Ditto, nerd. Without a guidance system, satellite has bought a one-way ticket to destruction.
It's T-Bird time.
FAB, hackers. I don't understand rock and roll, but it's our job to help everybody. Virgil, launch Thunderbird 2. You go with him, Brains.
Yes, Mr. Tracy.
Alan and Scott, take Thunderbird 3.
Dock it, lock it, and rock it. Thunderbirds are go!
Satellite KLA launch. Rock and roll has reached cyberspace. Tripp, sat into. Evil hood shot rocket at hackers. Hit KLA. Engineer Loman is trapped in airlock and losing consciousness. Emergency sequence is activated. Thunderbirds are go.
Here! The door's jammed and there's nothing we can do about it. The Allen's got to bust it open, but how?
I've got the solution. I think I figured out how to rescue Loman and O'Shea. Better call Alan ASAP.
Nice going, smart guy. Hey, starting to like you better half.
No time for amorous frivolity, hacker. We must concentrate on rescuing Loman. I suggest the optimal method for extraction is the electrostatic torch.
Okay, Sal. We're closing in on the pirate satellite, KLA.
Adjust power and initiate cruise control.
Stabilizing cruise control. Code 117. A human life is in danger. It is imperative to pay attention.
Hey! The nerd is at my desk!
Please pay attention.
Ready to open airlock. I'm going across. FAB, Alan. How you doing out there? Ready to rock and roll. Hey, Sal, let me know when we're coming up on re-entry. Last thing I want to do is go out in a blaze of glory, if you get my drift.
Re-entry time -2 minutes and counting. Activate rescue procedure.
Watch your space wind, sir. You're floating off course.
Sir? Tripp, are you feeling all right?
No problem, Al. Just not feeling like myself today.
I see Loman. He's not looking so good. He's crumpled up on the floor like a sack of old potatoes. Gee, Loman, with zero gravity, you weigh a ton. Come on, Loman. You can make it. Just a little more. Sal, lock on tracking beam. We're coming in. almost back. Hang tight, fella. We're just about there. I think Loman's gonna be all right. Life signs are good, Hackmasters. He's starting to come around.
Excellent! One down and one to go.
The sooner Alan helps these guys, the sooner we get our tunes back. And the sooner I can get back to doing something useful.
Loman says O'Shea's still trapped inside. I'm going back for him. Sal, what's our re-entry status?
Re-entry 1 minute 30 seconds. Stop rescue mission now. Do not jeopardize your own life.
I can't leave a man alone in space. I've got to save him. Wish me luck. Here goes.
Re-entry time minus 1 minute 10 seconds and counting. Oxygen level critical. Orbital disaster upon re-entry certain.
Sure is quiet. There's something about the thundering silence of space that makes man seem so insignificant in the infinite void.
Give it some juice, T-Birds. That guy's gonna croak.
Oh, yeah, right. Roger, Tripp. I'm at the satellite.
Gosh, I've never felt so vulnerable.
I sure hope I can save this DJ. If not for him, then for every kid who's ever listened to his music.
Mom was right. I should have stayed home on the ranch.
48 seconds.
This has got to work.
Is it okay? What's happening? What is he doing?
I have O'Shea, Hackmasters. We're floating clear of the satellite. Don't worry. Everything will be all right.
Yo, 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 yo alert, yo alert, yo alert.
Bad news, Tripp. That satellite's crossed into the atmosphere. It's headed straight for the nuclear fusion plant.
Man, if that baby hits, the damage would be major. Pardon the interruption, but I believe I have the solution.
How do we tackle this one, guys?
Tripp's alter ego says we should bump the satellite off course. If we do it over the desert, damage should be minimal.
Sounds good, Brains. But we must do it before it's too near the refinery. I have the satellite in my sights. It's breaking up. Let's put the pedal to the metal, Brains. Whoa, hold on, Brains. Look out! Man, that was really close.
That was too close.
Just a little more thrust and I've got it.
Get underneath, Virgil. Try to flip it over.
I'll try.
Hang on, Virgil. You almost got it.
Almost there.
Steady, Virgil. You've done it, Virgil. Oh, okay, level her out now.
I've got it.
That's more like it.
All right, hackers. All systems are go. I've got the satellite, and I'm taking it past the reactor.
Yeah, that's it. Minty! Nice going, Dweebster. Likewise. Look, I just want to say, maybe you're not so bad after all. I mean, we do have a lot in common, don't we? Next time, don't be so quick to judge people before you really get to know them. Okay, Radical Kahuna? You got it, Professor. Whoa, I have got a splitting headache.
Good to see you back in one piece, Tripster. This ship was just not big enough for the three of us.